Okay, so we are gonna do a video of us talking about cherry pie. Just hold on, you can't see it. You see it now? Okay, yeah, that's cherry pie. Anyways, of how tasty it is. So, prepare to listen.
You know, because it's cherry pie, we're kind of gonna play that song.
Girl, I'm in love.
Not this song.
Not this song. Sorry. Hold on.
And this song.
This song right here. So
Yeah. Why is it not playing?
it should.
Okay,
it's starting to play.
there we go.
Hold on, it's coming. It's coming.
So yeah. This
Pie.
pie
It's really good.
pretty amazing, you know?
No.
I mean, OMG, what? Some whipped cream.
Yeah.
Hey,
You can sound good.
Dad, where'd you put the whipped cream? Oh, I read that.
So, Tessa,
Behind the
goddamn.
milk. Other side.
Hey!
Tessa's doing that. Her computer starts being gay. Oh, it's working. Whoa.
Okay, so, I got some whipped cream now. Here you go. Some whipped cream. I think I'll take some whipped cream too.
We don't take some more whipped cream. This is.
I don't really like that much whipped cream.
See, whipped cream and cherry pie is the shit.
It's so good. Plus it's strong, it goes pretty good.
Yeah, it does. It goes really, really good with it. You know?
Even though it doesn't talk about whipped cream, really, but cherry pie, it's good.
So, do you guys like cherry pie? I love cherry pie.
Cherry pie's the shit.
I mean, it's just the bomb.
It's so good. It's like orgasmic in your mouth.
Exactly. I mean, exactly. I'm exactly what you're talking about, dude.
Exactly.
Yeah, Tessa, so.
My phone's kind of gay,
Because she's eating cherry pie.
Exactly. You guys should really eat some cherry pie.
Like you
Well, unless, you're
allergic.
kinda
Yeah.
allergic to cherry or pie. But, it's good. If you're allergic, you're missing out, man.
Anyways, so.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. Everybody thinks cherry pie is the bomb.
Well, most people who would do a video about food, would show you how to cook it. Well, I don't know how to cook cherry pie, but I just know how to eat it. So, yeah.
So.
Did you know that after Warren made this song, he actually, kind of regretted it because people made fun of him? Did you know that?
That's screwed up. I mean, who's making fun of it?
It's a good song.
Cherry pie is good. Cherry pie is the shit. It's delicioso.
Yeah, let's see if my cat likes cherry pie.
Alright, where's your cat?
Swing with my daughter no more.
Jeez, my mom's friend is such a dork. He's not gonna kick my ass. These are not bad videos. Miss Kitty likes cherry pie? Here, Kitty. You like some cherry pie? Nope, you don't like cherry pie.
She doesn't like it. Alright, well, say goodbye, Kitty.
Alright, y'all. Well, we're out. Thanks for watching our videos. Peace out.